Hello friends, as we have discussed already, now we are going to start the types of cements. In previous lecture we had studied the properties of cements, chemical constituent of cements, then tests which are going performed on site in laboratory. Now in this lecture we are going to study the various types of cement, their compositions and their uses on site, right? There are various types of cement which are classified on the basis of their contents, characteristics, and uses as follows. First one, ordinary Portland cement. We have discussed this type of cement in previous lectures or previous slides, right? Then Portland Pozzolana cement. We can also call it as Pozzolanic Portland cement, right? Then rapid hardening cement, quick setting time cement, low heat cement, sulphate resisting cement, blast furnace cement, slag furnace cement, blast or slag furnace cement, then high alumina cement, white cement, then colored cement, and air entraining cement. Right. Some of the names shows the property of the cement, right? Such as rapid hardening cement. It means it hards rapidly, right? Then quick setting time cement. It means it sets very fast. Low heat cement. It means it evaluate low heat. It means there will also the rate of heat of hydration also low, right? We have also studied the heat of hydration, right? When we mix water in cement, then it starts evolving heat because cement is exothermic material and this heat evolved will help in setting of cement. So we will study the type of cement one by one, right? So this is ordinary Portland cement, right? Ordinary Portland cement. We also discussed the manufacturing processes, and that manufacturing process was the ordinary Portland cement's manufacturing processes. Is the most widely used type of cement which is suitable for all general concrete constructions, right? With general concrete construction, which means the ongoing sites which you used to see in your campus or in your surroundings, we generally use this type of cement. It is most commonly produced and used type of cement around the world. It is produced by grinding Portland clinkers with possible addition of small quantity of gypsum, water and air entraining agents, right? We have to we had studied this in previous lectures also, which are two processes, right? Dry process and wet process. Then these are the chemical constituents. We also studied these chemical constituents in previous lecture. The ordinary Portland cement contains lime, silica, alumina, iron oxide or ferrous oxide, gypsum, calcium sulphate, magnesium trioxide, sulfur trioxide, alkalis such as potash and soda. This is the chemical composition for the ordinary Portland cement. Then Portland Pozzolana cement. First different type of cement we are studying. It is prepared by grinding pozzolanic clinker with Portland cement. Right? It means the pozzolanic clinkers get crushed and mixed with Portland cement. It is also produced by addition of pozzolana. What is pozzolana? Pozzolana is volcanic material. Underline this word and note it down in your notebook. Pozzolanic materials mean nothing but the volcanic materials with the addition of gypsum or calcium sulphate or by intimately and uniformly blending Portland cement and fine pozzolana. This cement has a high resistance to various chemical attacks. So this is benefit of this type of cement on the concrete compared with the ordinary Portland cement, and thus it is widely used. It is used in a marine structure. Please note down the uses of this concrete or cement. It is used in marine structure, sewage works, laying concrete underwater such as bridge, pier, dams and mass concrete work. Everybody get it? What are the uses of this cement? You have to write in your examination also. Then rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement attains high strength in earlier days. underline or note down this line. Rapid hardening cement attains high strength in earlier days. It is used in concrete where the formwork are removed at earlier stage, and there are similar to ordinary Portland cement, right? This cement has increased lime content and contains high C3S, right? It contains high C3S and finer grinding, which gives the high strength developed than the OPC at the earlier stage. It is same as to the OPC, but it attains high strength in earlier stage. Why? Because of content of C3S. It attains high strength in earlier stage, right? The strength of rapid hardening cement at the 3 days is similar to the 7-day strength of OPC. Here he has mentioned that point. With the same water cement ratio, thus advantage of this cement is that formwork can be removed earlier, which increases the rate of construction and decreases the cost of construction by saving formwork cost. Right? We can utilize that formwork in any other part of the building or the structure. Right? Rapid hardening cement is used in prefabricated concrete construction such as roadworks and etc. Then what are the contents? The aluminum, silica and iron oxide bearings materials are contained in rapid hardening cement. So this is all about rapid hardening cement. You have to write down the uses and chemical constituents also in your end semester exams. Then quicksetting cement. This name shows the property of cement itself, right? The difference between the quicksetting cement and rapid hardening cement is quicksetting cement sets earlierly, right? What is difference between the rapid hardening and quicksetting? This cement means quicksetting cement sets quickly, right? At earlier stage. At same time, the rate gain of strength is similar to the OPC, right? It means it doesn't get strength, it just sets in earlier time, right? To the ordinary Portland cement, while the quick hardening cement gains strength quickly, right? What we had seen that 3 days strength of rapid hardening cement is equals to the 7 days strength of OPC. And here in quick setting time, there is no difference between the strength of OPC and quick setting cement. There is just difference between the setting time of cement. It means OPC sets initially in 30 minutes and finally in 600 minutes, but this cement reduces that time and sets in earlier time, right? Here also we can remove the formwork in earlier stage and use that formwork in any other part of the structure. Quick setting cement is used where the works is to be completed in very short period and for concreting in static or running water. It means it is used for underwater construction also. For the construction of dam, we can say the low heat cement. What is low heat cement? Here the heat of hydration will be low. The name itself shows the property of cement. So low heat cement is produced by maintaining the percentage of tricalcium aluminate below 6% by increase the proportion of C2S. It means C3S will be reduced and C2S will be increased. A small quantity of tricalcium aluminate makes the concrete to produce low heat of hydration. Low heat cement suitable for the mass concrete structures like gravity dam, right? As a low heat hydration prevent the cracking of the concrete due to heat. What does heat of hydration performs the role in concrete? It evolves heat so that the evolved heat will also crack the surface of the structure. So avoid that cracking in mass construction such as dam or any high-rise building where we uses mass concreting. We will prefer the low heat cement, right? This cement has increased power against the sulphate and less reactive, and initial setting time is greater than OPC. This cement also have the low quick setting time, right? It sets quickly, low setting time than OPC. Sorry, high setting. It means it delays the setting time, right? Sulphate resisting cement. Sulphate resisting cement is used to reduce the risk of sulphate attack, right? It generally used for to reduce the sulfate attack on concrete, and thus is used in construction of the foundation where the soil has high sulfate content. This cement has reduced the content of C3A and C4AF, right? It have low content of C3A and C4AF. Sulfate resisting cement is used in construction exposed to the severe sulfate action by the water and soil in place like canal lining, culverts, retaining wall and siphon etc. It means for the water resources work which works are included in irrigation purposes, right? We uses this type of cement there. Then blast furnace cement. Okay, blast furnace slag cement. Blast furnace slag cement is obtained by grinding the clinkers, it means pozzolanic clinkers or ordinary Portland clinkers with about 60% slag and resemble more or less properties of the Portland cement. It can be used for the work where the economic consideration are predominant. It means this type of cement is majorly used for economic construction, or with the aspect of economy we will prefer the blast furnace cement. High alumina cement. High alumina cement is obtained by melting a mixture of bauxite and lime and grinding with the clinker. It is a rapid hardening cement with the initial and final setting time of about 3.5 and 5 hours respectively. It means it contains alumina. The compressive strength of this cement is very high and more workable than ordinary Portland cement, and it is used in, see where it is used, where the concrete is subjected to high temperature, frost and acid action. It means we use this type of cement when there are adverse conditions such as temperature, frost action and acidic action. Then white cement. Generally we use this type of cement for the decorative purposes or for water closet elements, fixing the water closet elements such as tiles in WC and wash basin fixing. We uses generally this type of cement. It is prepared from the raw material free from iron oxide and is a type of ordinary Portland cement which is white. It is costlier and used for architectural purpose such as precasting curtains, walls and facing panels, terrazzo surfaces, etc. And for the interior and exterior decorative work like external rendering of building, facing slab, flooring, ornamental concrete products, path of the gardens, swimming pools and etc. Right? There is nothing critical in this type of cement. Colored cement, which is also used for decorative purposes, right, for the elevation and elegance purposes of the building. It is produced by the mixing of 5 to 10% mineral pigments with the ordinary cement. They are widely used for decorative work on the floor, right? Then air entraining cement. Air entraining cement is produced by addition indigenous entraining agents such as resins, glue, sodium of sulphate etc. during the grinding of clinker. While we grind the OPC clinkers, we have to mix this material in that mixture. This type of cement is specially suited to improve the workability. Look over it. It is majorly used to improve the workability with the smaller water cement ratio and to improve the frost resistance of concrete. Where it is used, everybody get it? So these are the types of cement, their uses of cement, characteristics of cement. Majorly you have to write the comparison between the, see, you have to compare the ordinary Portland cement and rapid hardening cement, or any two type of cement will be asked in final examination, and he also may ask you the comparison between any of this, right, any two of this, and also the uses of any of this cement. So you have to write down all these types of cement in your notebook, their uses and their characteristics, right? This is the end of first chapter, right? From next onward, or from next lecture, we will study the aggregate topic. So anybody have any problem in this whole video lectures first chapter, then please do ask in comment, and also try to solve the quizzes and assignment which are assigned to you. Right? Thank you.